The GADMS Lite simple gas monitoring system has been added to the product lineup, but what kind of a product is GADMS Lite?
GADMS Lite is a system developed by Riken Keiki for the purposes of overseas expansion. It allows Riken Keiki to offer a solution to customers looking for a gas monitoring system even if they are overseas, the same way Riken does for customers here in Japan. GADMS is an acronym that stands for Gas Detector Management System, and Lite means that it is easy for anyone to use since, etymologically, the word carries the meaning of light.
A gas detector system sounds very complicated. Please let me know which aspects of it are easy to use.
Okay. This time, I'll explain by narrowing down and focusing on these three features. First, let's have a quick look at its specifications. Its system model is GADMS L01. And GADMS Lite is the name of the software developed by Riken Keiki. That software is programmed into an Flexi 205, a commercially available piece of hardware regarded worldwide as a highly reliable industrial gateway. It communicates with the GD70D EA, its target gas detector, through Ethernet and is a system that can simultaneously monitor up to 96 units.
Industrial gateway? Sounds complicated judging by the name, but isn't setup for this Flexi 205 hard?
Good question. A simple setup anyone can do is this system's most important feature. First, have a look at this connection diagram example. The GD70D EA connects to the Flexi 205 via LAN cable, passing through a PoE hub, and assigning it an IP address is all that needs to be done to complete the setup. Then, with a computer set up for monitoring, you can do things like look at the status of up to 96 gas detectors in a list or monitor each unit's details.
I see. It looks like even I should be able to do it without any issues. Are there any other advantages of getting one of these systems?
GADMS Lite has many advantages. There is no need for analog cable installation to acquire signals. You can view and manage not only gas concentrations and alarms but every detail of the gas detector that you normally wouldn't be able to view unless you were at its installation location, details such as flow rate range, malfunctions, and alarm history. You can access the system with any kind of device as long as you have an internet browser. PCs, tablets, or smartphones connected to the same server can check the status of the units anytime, anywhere. If you set up an email address, you can receive email notifications whenever an event occurs, such as daily reports, weekly reports, and alarms.
I got it. So, in other words, even if you're not at a factory or lab where a gas detector is installed, you can still check the status of a gas detector using a computer at the office or a smartphone when you're on the go. And it'll even notify you of things like gas alarms by email. That's super convenient for management.
That's right. With an increase in remote working recently, being able to manage the system at any time and from anywhere is a huge convenience.
I fully understand now.